Humanitec is everywhere, but you don't really understand what the buzz is about? What does this have to do with internal developer platforms and platform engineering? You're not sure how our products fit into what you have right now or where to start? Well, I'm Kaspar from Humanitec, and in this video, I'll speak about what Humanitec is, how it helps you, and when you should consider it. Platform engineering and building internal developer platforms is the hot new thing in town. Gartner forecasts that by 2026, 80% of enterprises will have built their own platforms. Internal developer platforms slash your lead time and time to market, the lifeblood of your business, by up to 30%. They enable developer self-service, unify interfaces, drive standardization by design, and relieve the operation teams that are struggling to keep up with ticket ops. The leading platform engineering teams build their platform using Humanitec's Platform Orchestrator to orchestrate their platform, our workload specification as a code-based interface for developers, and our drivers as extension points to their platform. It's a predictable, battle-tested, and reliable way to build and operate your enterprise-grade platform. It promises speed paired with high return on investment and low total costs of ownership. While average platforming endeavors usually take up to 24 months and require complex transformation programs, you can use Humanitec to turn your existing CI/CD setup into a modern platform, with a first version delivered within a week. But there is also a key technical difference between self-built platforms and their modern counterparts built with Humanitec, and that's the approach of platform orchestration. Let's dissect this in a little more detail. Older platform designs focused on essentially spinning up templated GitHub repositories with varying configuration file formats. Afterwards, the burden to operate and maintain the script mess is left to the developers to figure out. When they are overwhelmed, they throw the problem over the wall to the operation teams. As a result, developers slow down, wait for others, and ops has to grind through repetitive tickets. So, how do we change this? The idea of platform orchestration is to completely reconfigure the entire application and its dependent resources, the databases, file storage, compute, or DNS, with every single Git push. Humanitec's Platform Orchestrator essentially reads a recipe on how a workload generally relates to dependent resources and dynamically creates application and infrastructure configurations with every deployment. This way, there is no difference between the first time a developer spins up a workload and the nth time. The result is a 95% reduction in configuration files you need to maintain and operate. This approach drives an unparalleled degree of standardization and allows platform engineering teams to include all the resources, configurations, and policies by default. So, how do you get started? Easy. Write that recipe for your workload, plug in the orchestrator at the end of your CI pipeline, configure your baseline configurations, git push your first deployment, and you're done. Thank you for watching our video on how Humanitec helps you orchestrate your platform. If you want to kick the tires, head over to humanitec.com and start your free trial. If you want us to help you explore this, book a demo with one of our solution architects.